Risk is a part of our daily lives, whether we recognize it or not. At its core, risk refers to the possibility of an undesirable outcome or loss arising from an uncertain situation. Every decision we make carries some level of risk. For example, when an individual drives a car, there is always a possibility of an accident, even if the person is careful. Similarly, choosing to invest savings in the stock market involves the chance of losing money if the market declines. These situations highlight that risk is not about certainty, but about probability and potential consequences. In personal life, risks are often related to health, income, and assets. A sudden illness can lead to medical expenses and loss of income. Damage to property due to fire or natural events can create financial stress. Understanding risk helps individuals prepare for such uncertainties. It encourages better decision-making and financial planning, ensuring that unexpected events do not completely disrupt stability. In a business environment, risk becomes more structured and measurable, yet it remains unavoidable. Businesses face risks such as operational failures, market fluctuations, legal liabilities, and financial losses. For instance, a manufacturing company may face the risk of machinery breakdown, which can halt production and reduce revenue. Similarly, a retail business may experience declining sales due to changing customer preferences, directly impacting profitability. A real case can be seen in supply chain disruptions during global health crisis, where many businesses faced unexpected shutdowns. Companies that depended heavily on a single supplier struggled to continue operations, leading to significant financial losses. This demonstrates how unmanaged risk can directly affect business continuity. Understanding risk in business is not just about identifying threats, but also about assessing their financial impact. Effective risk awareness allows organizations to take preventive actions, allocate resources wisely, and ensure long-term sustainability in an uncertain environment.